Alright, what's up, Mindackers? Back at it with another video here. This video is kind of unique because Sam actually duck hunts back here. So it's kind of cool that we're going to be fishing where we duck hunt. It's basically a slough, but it's pretty sweet. If you can see, looks pretty cool. So, hope we can get some.
Like a two-handed thing?
Yeah. Oh, come on. Biggin. He freaking took off running like crazy. Not that big, but he's all right. He's a good, like, 17. Not a bad one.
I got bit.
Nice. On the jig, boys. All right, dudes. My first fish of the day. Let's just. No, it's okay. All right. See you later, dude. Boom! I knew sticking with the jig would pay off. Yeah. I'd much rather get eaten by a bear. Dude, eaten by a shark would just not be cool.
Yeah, but a bear would take a while.
A shark would be so much more scary, though.
A shark would be like...
I don't think I want to. I couldn't do that. Yeah, true.
I'd rather be a beaver in South Dakota. There's nothing that really kills it.
There's one. Nah.
It's decent though.
Yeah. Oh. Flip it?
Yeah, I'll flip them.
What do you got there? Small one.
Nice smallie.
Bigger than the last one.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Boom. That's a nice one, dude. That is a chunk. Oh.
17 and a quarter.
All right. My second one of the day. Not a bad one. 17 inches. Going for the release. He's ready. See you later, guy. You're in the honey hole? Right there. Right there. That's where I want to be, right there.
That's where I want to be.
Fish.
Really?
No, not a fish.
Did you bite?
Not a fish.
Did you bite though?
No.
I'm gonna touch it anyway.
I thought it was a fish.
Really?
Thought it was, but it was just the bottom. No, the bottom. That's a fish. Oh man.
Get on that. Oh yeah.
I think that was a fish.
Is that when you were swimming?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, huh.
Yeah, that thing actually looks pretty big.
It didn't even look like a. Looked kind of weird, didn't it?
It did look a little weird.
It looked like bread.
Did you snag it? Did you snag it first?
Oh. Yeah.
That's a big one.
That's a nice one.
It's a nice one.
Yeah, it is.
You won't boat flip it.
I'm not gonna boat flip it.
Dude, or no balls.
Dude, I was just swimming my thing in.
Dude, or no balls.
He might have had it a little bit before, then I started swimming it away.
So it was a fish.
Might have been.
Oh, I just want to stay at left. Ooh,
That is a chunky one again. Holy cow. What's up, guys? Just caught my third smallmouth of the day. Not a bad chunker. Measured it. It was 17 inches. And I caught this one using the finesse jig with a blue trailer craw. And that's been doing pretty good for me today. I haven't caught as much fish as everybody else in this boat, but I have caught the biggest smallmouths.
Oh yeah.
Just saying. Okay, but it's a beautiful night out here. Having a lot, yep, as you can see, beautiful night out here. Gorgeous, just absolutely gorgeous. but it's nice to catch toads like that. Makes it worth it, baby. So we're gonna go for release right now, though. All right. All right. Taking in some water. That's how we do it at Midneck Outdoors. Okay guys, we're gonna end the day. We're about to get in a storm, so we ain't trying to get caught in that, you know.
We got lightning
right above us.
We got lightning on two
But
sides here.
it was a decent night. Had a fun time fishing the slough. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys next time.
Edit that dab out.